Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to design and 3D print this custom M12 bolt using Autodesk Fusion 360. So let's get started. First of all, select the bottom plane and sketch a polygon. It will be 6 edges starting from the cross axis. Using a vertical constraint, I make the side vertical and making a dimension of 19 millimeters. Now go to extrude and make it solid for 7.5 millimeter height and click OK. To make a nice chamfer, select the front face. Pick Circle command and sketch a circle tangent with the edge. Go to Solid, Extrude, and select the intersection operation. Give 45 degrees tape angle and extend type through hole. And we have a chamfer for the surface. Let me repeat for the other face. So select again the face, pick a circle, make it tangent, and solid extrude command, intersection 45 degrees and distance through hole, and click OK. Give the direction, again distance hole, and click OK. Now time to create the shaft. Let's select this face, and because we are making a M12 bolt, we sketch a circle of 12 millimeters. Go to Extrude command and extrude for 50 millimeters. OK. Now is the time to add the thread to make this functional bolt. Let's see if everything is perfect. Rotate and go to Create, Thread, select the cylindrical part, click on Modeled, size be sure that's 12 mm, and I will pick M12 by 1.75 mm. And the thread is done. Let's rotate, check if everything is perfect, and let's go to prepare for the 3D printing. Go to Manufacture, then select Setup, New Setup, click on the bolt and OK. Go to the library and pick our 3D printing. I will go to FlashForge Creator 4, but you can pick whatever you have. Click OK, select the material, I will take PLA filament, and the bolt is inside our 3D printer, perfectly in the middle. So let's rotate to check whether there is a gap with the bottom of the 3D printing, but everything is worked perfectly. What we have to do now is generate the toolpath, so right click and generate, and we will have the toolpath for the 3D printer. Let's wait a few seconds, and again right click and post process to save the file. Go to our location where we want to be our file saved, name it, in my case I will call it bolt, my location is at the 3D printing and download the file. Click on it and we can check that our G-code is ready. What we have to do now, go to the location where we save the file and just send to the 3D printing through the Wi-Fi or copy and paste to USB and upload into the 3D printing. And wait for our bolt that will be created. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you.